One of the biggest things that my students are stumped over is brushes. Say you're watching a tutorial and the artist mentions the brushes that they're using. So you pause the video, you write it down just to find out later that it's really expensive. Or worse, you buy one of those cheapy brush sets on Amazon and you have no idea what any of them do or even if they're decent quality. Then you'll find out very quickly that you don't even use half of them. My ebook about brushes will teach you everything you should know about brushes, just like what they're made of, what they do, which ones to get, and which ones not to get. Probably the most important thing to know about brushes is not the brand or the price, it's the shape. What a lot of the YouTube artists don't tell you is that you can find comparable and affordable equivalent brushes based on the type and the shape of its bristles and what its function is. For example, a flat brush does a flapping motion for painting something on, and a round brush does a circular motion for blending it. They work together. I've been teaching makeup to trans women and crossdressers for 25 years, and I've created a huge A to Z makeup course just for male to female students and their special challenges. It includes just about everything you'd want to know about makeup products and tools, including a long segment about brushes. Check it out for yourself. No hype, no pushy sales tactics, just look for the link in the description and see for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and help me grow my channel. I would really, really appreciate it. You will learn how to do your makeup.